If you're feeling tired, stressed, or just can't sleep well, you've probably seen ads about Pulsetto, the small neck device that promises to calm your mind in just 4 minutes. But does it really work? Is it safe to use every day? And most importantly, is it worth the money?
Well, I bought one. I've used it daily for 30 days.
In this video, I'll share everything I've learned, the good and the bad, in simple words you can trust. Let's dive in. What is Pulsetto? Pulsetto is a small neck device that uses vagus nerve stimulation to help you feel calm, sleep better, and reduce stress. The vagus nerve is one of the longest nerves in your body. It connects your brain to your heart, lungs, and stomach. When this nerve is activated, it tells your body to relax. Pulsetto does this gently without pills or meditation. It feels like a soft vibration on your neck. It's not painful at all. The best part, it takes only 4 minutes a day to feel the effects. How does Pulsetto work? Pulsetto uses clinically tested low-frequency stimulation to gently activate your vagus nerve. When this nerve is active, your body leaves the fight or flight mode and enters the rest and digest mode. That means your heart rate slows down, your breathing becomes steady, your mind becomes clear, you feel safe, calm, and balanced. Pulsetto works with a mobile app that lets you pick one of 5 relaxation modes. Soothe stress,
Calm, worry, and overwhelm.
fall asleep, relieve burnout, pain control, and recovery. Each session lasts about 4 minutes. You just wear it around your neck, press play, and relax. Features and benefits of Pulsetto. Here are the key features and real benefits I experience. Fast calm in just 4 minutes. You don't have to wait weeks. The calm starts within minutes. Sleep better. Pulsetto helped me fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. No pills, no side effects. Feel less overwhelmed. My work stress feels easier to manage. I stay focused longer without burning out. No pills, no meditation. If you hate taking supplements or can't sit still to meditate, this is for you. Safe and certified. Pulsetto is FCC and CE certified. It uses safe energy levels that won't harm your body. Free app with 5 modes. The app is simple and works on Android and iPhone. You can also adjust intensity levels. Portable and rechargeable. Easy to carry and travel with. Charges fast and lasts several sessions. Sound library included. The calming music in the app makes each session more relaxing. No side effects. No headaches, no nausea, no issues, just a calm feeling. Supports digestion and mood. Since the vagus nerve connects to your gut and heart, Pulsetto also helps with digestion and emotional balance. How to use Pulsetto. Using Pulsetto is super easy, even if you're not good with tech. Step 1, download the Pulsetto app on your phone. Step 2, charge the device using the USB cable provided. Step 3, apply a bit of the gel to the metal pads on the device. This helps with smooth stimulation. Step 4, place the device on the front of your neck like a neckband. Step 5, open the app and choose your mode: sleep, stress, burnout, or pain relief. Step 6, sit down, relax, and let Pulsetto do its thing for 4 minutes. You'll feel a light tingle. It's not uncomfortable. It feels gentle and calming. Do this once or twice daily, like before bed or after a long workday. Pulsetto pros and cons. Pros: works quickly, 4 minutes per session, helps with sleep, stress, focus, and mood. No drugs, no side effects. Backed by science and trusted by doctors. Free soundscapes and 5 app modes. Great for work from home people or parents. Small, light, and easy to travel with. 30-day money-back guarantee. Cons: gel is needed for each use. Takes a few uses to feel confident using it. Not cheap, but cheaper than therapy long-term. Might feel strange at first. Light tingle on your neck. Price and where to buy Pulsetto. Pulsetto isn't the cheapest device, but for what it does, I think the price is fair. Right now, it's available in 3 main packages. Pulsetto, 1 Pulsetto. Get 2 Pulsettos. $359 total. Buy 1, get 1. 3 Pulsettos. $479 total. Buy 2. You can buy it only on their official website. Free global shipping. 2-year warranty. 30-day money-back guarantee. World-class customer support. And make sure to buy only from their official site. Don't risk fake copies. Conclusion of Pulsetto. So what's the final word? If you're tired of feeling anxious, if your sleep is broken, or if your brain just won't shut off, Pulsetto is 100% worth trying. It's gentle, it's backed by science, it's easy to use. Most of all, it works. You'll feel calmer, sleep better, and think more clearly. All without pills or hours of meditation. And with the 30-day money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose. Pulsetto has helped me, and if stress or sleep is ruining your day, I truly believe it could help you too. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Let me know in the comments, have you tried a vagus nerve stimulation before? See you in the next one.